I am Simisha and this is my channel. This is Janvan channel. It is my real channel because this is a educational platform for masters in political science and international relations. This is my URL of channel. So kindly requested to monetize this channel, and my students commented here for further guidelines. Look at that all the uh, comments. Or this is my logo of my Simisha, and this is my WhatsApp, also 030609888187, and this is Janvan channel. This is an educational platform for Pakistan and international students of political science and international relations, Pakistan studies, and many more subjects. This is a genuine channel. Thank you. Kindly, I request you, kindly monetize it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.